Okay, now we will show the senders function. For the user interface, you will get acceleration in the front page, gyroscope, angle, magnetic, and also quaternion. And we go back to the most important page, angle. You will see the record in each interface in the button. Okay, and there will be several functions here, including acceleration, calibration, magnetic calibration, communication rate, output rate, factory restore, rename function. Okay, let's introduce one by one. For acceleration, hit. Keep the sender for horizontal place for 3 seconds. Open, okay. And the senders X and Y will returning to 0 degree. You can see the acceleration to tell whether the senders is fully calibrated. For the acceleration bias, you can notice 1G on the Z-axis. Okay.